Welcome to Make Your Own Cocoa Bombs. In this kit, you'll find a Kinder Egg. You'll want to eat the contents out. I'm sure the kids will love that. And the special toy, of course. Properly clean and dry it out. Have a bowl and candy and spoon ready. With 2 Dove chocolates, open them up and put them inside a microwave-safe bowl. Be sure to enjoy the little positive quote, too. Put in the microwave for about 15 to 30 seconds and keep an eye on it and stir it as necessary. Older microwaves, you might want to put a separate water bowl in to help it melt evenly and prevent sparking. Once the chocolate is melted, you can stir it and spoon it into 1/2 of the Kinder Egg. Gently tap the sides to cover all parts of the half shell. Place in the freezer. Repeat this again with 2 more chocolates and melting in the microwave, again 15 to 30 second increments. Once it's completely smooth, dump it into the second half of the Kinder Egg shell. Again, tap the sides gently. Be really careful to make sure the sides are nice and thick with chocolate, so you might have to go around several times. You'll find there might be a little excess of chocolate. You can scoop that out and put that to the side for a later step, which we'll call gluing. Put that second half into the freezer and wait approximately 15 to 30 minutes. You can take your Kinder Eggs out. Note to self, do not handle these very long because your warm hands will melt the chocolate. You're going to stretch the sides out and bend it out onto the plate. Open up your hot cocoa and dump it in a 1/2 of the shell. And with the melted chocolate, you might need to put it back in for another 5 to 10 seconds. You can then glue the other half of the shell on top. Freeze it or dry it, and it'll be ready. Add it to a mug. Microwave some milk or almond milk or some other milk choice, and pour it on top and watch the magic. Yum. Maybe make a few extra and you can box them up nice like this for a fancy gift. Enjoy!